you want to learn to make this propane tank stove super easy, super efficient, you're on the right channel. Let's do it. 20-pound propane tank, devalved. The whole thing's been painted in high temp stove black. Every part on here is repurposed. This door is cut off another tank. That way it's bigger than your opening. You won't have any smoke leakage. My bottom base is the top cut off another tank. There's no welding at all. It's all just a power drill and angle grinder. And for my underfire, I got the valve, the old valve off the tank, and some repurposed parts. Standard hinge. My door latch I made. Get you a close up on how that works. And the catch for it, just a piece of bent metal strap, all bolted in. My overfire exhaust is actually the cap off a 3-inch HVAC pipe. These are used for water heaters and so on, and they're higher quality than actual stove pipe itself, so you might want to use it. And I've just cut a circle out of the center, and where the old valve is, I cut a circle with my angle grinder and bolted this in. Then my flue pipe fits right in there, like so. Very easy, very efficient, and always have your overfire a little bit bigger than your underfire air supply. That way you keep the smoke going the right direction, which is not in your face. And there you go. Very simple, very, very cool, very efficient. The thicker the steel you use, the more efficient the stove, because it's going to radiate a lot of heat and continue radiating heat. And there you go. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy my channel. Thanks for watching.